Alright, as you can tell, we still got one of our hens out here. Released 5 of them not too long ago, and I ain't seen the other 5 since we released them. We just got this one that we started out with still around. I mean, I ain't found no traces of the other 5, so I don't know yet. But we do have, that we released the other day, our roosters. Our roosters we released in there, and they are still all 3 doing good. There's all 3 of the roosters that were released. They are all 3 game roosters. I just thought I'd share that with y'all. We got 3 roosters, and we still got 1 hen out here. Out of 6 hens, we got 1. Where the other 5 is, I don't know. I ain't found no traces of them. That's what we got. Thank you. You doing good out here, huh?